Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: the order ID, any delivered files, and the latest message thread. Once you have those, open Fiverr and go straight to orders. Select the specific order you want to cancel. Make sure you note whether it's marked delivered or in progress because the next steps differ. If the seller delivered work, review the files briefly to identify defects or unmet requirements. This quick check lets you decide between requesting revisions, mutual cancellation, or opening a dispute. You now communicate clearly. Message the seller outlining why you want to cancel and propose mutual cancellation with refund terms, if applicable. Once the seller agrees, go to the order page, choose Offer to Cancel, and confirm the mutual cancellation so funds return automatically. If the seller refuses, escalate by opening the Resolution Center from the order or contact Fiverr support to open a dispute. Include order ID, screenshots, and timestamps. This creates an official trail, and you finish by confirming the cancellation. Check Fiverr notifications and your payment method or Fiverr balance for the refund. Make sure the order status reads canceled and save any confirmation emails or screenshots. If the refund hasn't appeared within 7 days, contact Fiverr support with the order ID and evidence. You'll need messages and screenshots. If you face non-cooperative sellers, remain factual and escalate through the Help Center. Support can intervene and force a refund or administrative cancel when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.